Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Honor 200 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant, now click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and then click here to enable Hey Google. Now click on More and I agree, More and I agree. Now click on Next. And then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, help me to plan a dinner party. Now click on Next. Then click on Next again and click on More and I agree. Now click back and click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.